Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to only get notifications from certain emails on Yahoo. So let's get started. So if you want to get notifications only from a certain emails, now to do that what you can do is just simply open up your Yahoo mail, and after opening up your Yahoo mail from here just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left. After tapping on your profile icon just simply tap on settings and scroll down and you will find notifications. Just tap on notifications, and inside your notifications, now if it's on all emails, what you have to do is just simply change it to just the email category I choose. And after changing it to that, now what you have to do is just simply select the persons or just select the features that you want to disable. So now if you don't want to receive any emails from the people, then what you can do is just simply disable this feature. Also from the travel, so if you don't want to receive any emails from travel, just disable it, and also from your reminder. And now you'll only receive the messages from your deals, which is promotions from brands and shops, and your package tracking. So now if you have ordered something, you will find that email, and you will find the mail of any promotions in your Yahoo mail. So that's it guys. This is how to only get notifications on certain emails on Yahoo mail in 2024. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.